welcome welcome to my channel. So starting with the pattern for the bustier, breast cups, yoke and everything. First of all, laying out my pattern on my beautiful Ankara fabric, cutting it out, of course leaving out 0.5 inch of seam allowance.
So after cutting it out, I'm going to place them on gum stay. That's what we call it, gum stay. I want it to have a little more structure. I'm just trying this for the first time also. Yeah, this is it on the gum stay. I'm using it, sticking it on with iron. So it gives it that structure. Usually you'd use like a breast pad, but I don't know. Let's see how it turns out. So I'm sewing the bodies together. So for the cup now, I'm going to place the curved edges together and sew. Because of what I added, I have to trim off this excess to reduce the bulk on the boob area. So this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to add that rectangular looking piece to the upper part. So this is it. Because I'm adding this gum stay, I don't know what it's called, but it's like sturdy. It makes the pieces bulky, so I always have to trim off this excess so it will be seamless on me. So this how it looks, very pretty. Next, adding that cup to the bodice, and we're done with that. Please tell me this doesn't look good now. It looks so good. So for the lining, this is it. So I've done everything I've done to the main fabric, also to the lining. So here I have this sheer material. I'm going to cut the yoke pattern from it, just like this. So this is the front yoke pattern, and this is the back yoke pattern. So for the front, I'm going to go ahead and close off the raw edges with this black bias tape, so it will give it a nice little black thing. I'm even thinking it would have been nice even just leaving it like that, but I think I like the black thing. Here it is. It's having this shape now. Also, this is the back part. I added the bias also to give it the outline. To sew down the yoke, I place it down right where it needs to be and pin. After pinning them up nice, I'll go ahead and place the lining right on top, align everything and pin across also, sort of covering up the yoke. Then I sew. When I turn it around, it's going to have this neat kind of finish, which is what we want. The yoke shoulders, pin them and sew. Here it is, sewn up. I'm going to attach sleeves, of course. For more structure, I'm going to create a pocket for those iron bra thingies. I don't know what they're called. Anyway, this is the space for that. Next, I use bias to create a casing for boning. So I'm inserting the boning into the pockets. This was so satisfying. Like, I just love the way this boning kind of brought the whole thing to life.
Just look. So these are the sleeves, attaching them, and this is how it's looking with the sleeves on. So for the skirt, just a simple skirt, just really quick and easy, side by side. And we're done. Tell me what you think. Do you like it?